I've seen the northern lights, the British countryside, every single southern college town.
Hey, Kevin, over here!
Bro, we've been waiting.
Oh, come on,
like
bro.
Stood at Cyprus in between the clouds. I thought I'd seen all there is to see.
Ready?
Spent all this time.
Quick, come on, quick!
Chasing my
Woo! 3, 2, 1. Happy graduation!
Tommy!
It's a wonderful world filled with fabulous.
Go get it!
I traded all away to have you here with me. It's a wonderful world.
Don't worry too much. The most important thing is to follow your heart. Aw, what's wrong, Tommy? Good boy, good boy.